Okay. Hello.
Time.
I don't know what to say, dude.
Sonic Adventure, baby!
Selectify.
So we should probably get it out of the way ASAP. This is post commentary, right?
Yeah.
R has already blazed through this game, so I'm curious to see how his run went. He's going to be playing the entire game.
You can customize various options.
I get curious to see. Oh, that's all good. I played this game for the first time only like a year or two ago, so I missed out. I was too busy playing used to play like strictly Nintendo stuff growing up.
Yeah,
it took me forever to come around.
Game. No, I'm kidding. I've never played this before, so I guess sort of a blind commentary, but I mean I've seen stuff about it before.
You can imagine we're very excited to see his reactions to cutscenes and stuff in the stages. But it's time. Good old 1998. Yeah, this game's got a lot of sentimental value for it.
We all have games like that, of course.
For sure. Honestly, I'll poke at the game a lot, but it was still a lot of fun to play even today. It's not that bad. It's just the cutscenes are very funny.
Oh yeah! This is
Yeah!
I love the voice acting and the voiceover.
How about those cards? Right off the bat.
What's up?
The lip syncing is so good when you see Sonic talking.
It really is. That's what I was trying
Honestly,
to say.
one of my favorite lines in the game is already about to happen.
Mm-hmm.
Soon, those police. Right here is Chaos, our big bad. I love that the rings are still there.
I know.
This line.
Oh no! Our weapons are useless! Retreat!
He's still shooting.
I know it's supposed to be serious, but still. Sonic's gonna play the piano for a little. His little stance. Right off the rim, you got a boss fight. I think the lock-on, it can be a little funky.
Mm-hmm. I can already tell.
It's all good start. I'm pretty sure I died on this fight. I might be one of the only humans to die on Chaos Zero. You just gotta bonk his noggin. It's just a little, intense.
Well, I mean, I would be probably messing up too. It's hard to see.
You gotta wait for, I don't even know the timing. You just have to wait. I just kept spamming the lock-on until I hit him. He comes down. And then it's over.
Yeah.
Then he has a bit of a seizure before celebrating. He's like, yeah, I did it!
8.
Back to the piano. Star's favorite.
Come on, you big drip. Where you
Star's
going?
favorite line.
You big drip.
I mean, have you heard anyone insult someone by calling them a drip?
No.
Oh God, even better. Why is he standing up here?
Yeah, I had a feeling.
Fool! It's Chaos, the god of destruction!
Eggman's voices sound like, I don't know, like he was in a tunnel or something when they were recording it. Oh no, it's time, Luke. You know this scene.
Yeah, I do.
Right off the rim.
Sonic's just chilling, dude.
Huh?
Oh.
There he is.
What?
Tails?
Watch out! You're gonna crash! Tails! Oh, what am I gonna
Oh, dang it, Tails. You killed yourself again. He does not sound upset at all.
I think something else I know about the game is you can die if you stand in that pool long enough.
Mm-hmm. You can actually drown in there.
So. Yeah.
Good old Station Square. Grab the spinning rings. It's important. Getting hit in Sonic is the worst feeling ever, man.
Mr. Know-It-All. I don't like him.
Yeah, the camera was a little funky for me when I played this game too. I played the GameCube version. Even then, sometimes it was a little buggy at times. So yeah, you can talk to NPCs and everything.
Something I've never really liked about games like this is like just the fact that there's normal humans interacting with Sonic. it just I don't know, it feels off to me.
I definitely get that. Right away, Emerald Coast. This level's
I know. Oh, we're gonna go through Sonic 06. Okay, better I know now than later. Oh,
that was an insane gift. Like I said, I was excited to see Star's gameplay because he knows this game way better than we do.
Isn't there supposed to be a part like where like an orca chases you? Did you skip that?
This game? I can't remember if it was this game. I think it was. Oh yeah, there it is.
Well, this time you're running with it.
Absolute cakewalk making this stage. Yeah, that's when they started introducing like the cinematic segments where you're just running in place. Star's way more braving than me. Like he just let the spin dash go. Like me, I was too scared to even dare. I know, it's crazy.
Does this game have the like homing, like the ring dash or whatever?
I think it does. I was able to directly attack enemies and bosses. But sometimes it's a little funky.
Faster speed? Oh.
I've had times where the lock-on kind of just makes me fly off a cliff. There was that time Star and I were racing in Adventure 2 Battle when you were watching us.
Yeah.
We went all over the place.
Oh gosh. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff that I would just never notice myself, really.
I know, it's a Sonic game, but like I took my sweet time going through these stages. I know if you go back and replay stages later on, there's like different missions, and I'm sure you need to know all the nooks and crannies like Star does to even achieve everything.
I'm sure.
Yes!
There's Tails. I don't think he's dead.
I hope not. You need to hear his theme song, Luke. It drowns out the dialogue.
Can you complete this stage in 2 minutes?
Yeah,
Not bad. In 2 minutes, wow. I never did the missions where you replay the stages, but...
Yeah, I see what you guys are talking about. You can barely hear them over his song.
In particular.
What happened anyway? You're too good of a pilot to just crash like that.
I wanna fly high. And his mic is so muffled, dude.
Why not just use my plane?
I don't know.
Thanks, but you gotta check out my newest power supply. Ta-da!
All right.
Yeah, I know.
Whoa!
Yep, I just happened to find.
Oh, you know, it was just lying around.
It's purple.
This thing's got unlimited power, you know. So I figured, why not use it to power my plane?
Wow, Tails, great stuff.
You
gotta!
His ears move back like half a foot every time he talks.
Let's go! I think we get to see the other quote-unquote hub now, the jungle.
Now you can play with Tails.
Star could literally just stop playing now and go straight to the Tails campaign if you wanted. You can unlock them all just by playing.
Yeah. Is this the Chow area?
Yeah, a lot of people love these games because of this stuff. I regret not dabbling too much in it because I had borrowed a copy of this game. But I know there's people out there that sink tons of hours into the Child Garden side content.
Okay. Do you get to name them?
Do not shake the baby, please.
Oh, I see. There's two, yeah. I have a feeling I know what's going to happen if you can name them. Oh gosh.
You can also kind of just chuck them around. Star, did this game or did the sequel have like the races that you could do with your child?
Yep.
I know there were a bunch of games you could play with your child. Train them up. Right. I think it was the second game's Child Garden that I dabbled with more.
There he is.
There he
Logan.
is. He'll join us one day.
Yeah, eventually.
So Star knows what he's doing. When I was here, I had no idea what to do with these guys. I kind of just threw them around for a little. Going with the real deal.
Advance.
The dedication.
Okay. I was like, wow. You did it in the wall. Oh gosh.
Oh yeah, the black market. Oh, I did not know you could do that.
There's items in there that can boost your chow stats.
I hear you can make them insane. Great, you're doing this stuff early on then.
Oh yeah, for sure.
I this game. There's still a ton I probably haven't seen.
Yeah, I never saw this whenever AV was playing.
I don't remember how far you got.
It seems like something I'd be either hit or miss on. I'd either really like it or not be a fan of it at all.
The train headed for the Mystic Ruins will be departing soon.
Mystic Ruins, that's what it was called. Finally. Thank you, lady. Can make the kids do squats.
Mr. Know-It-All. I don't like him. Look at his arms flailing around.
I don't like him either. His dialogue just ended at, yeah, you can jump.
Oh, is there a secret up here? Or are you just walking around? Oh,
There is, wow.
you got two of those things. I don't know what they do.
Always did that trying to talk to people.
Oh gosh. Oh. Okay. The camera's interesting decision.
The music here is an interesting decision too.
I can't hear it. Oh, there we go.
If we hear it a bit longer, it gets kind of crazy. This man is pushing.
Okay.
It's
Yeah, I remember this part.
very memorable. But I don't think we'll hear it for long though. Cause surprise!
If it isn't Sonic!
It's a giant talking egg.
That doesn't look like it.
I am Dr. Robotnik,
Smack talk.
greatest scientific genius in the world.
When's the last time he called himself Robotnik?
Man.
Enough! I've got
Is this when Eggman became a name coined for him?
to work.
You're always up to no good. Now what do you want?
Or was it a game before this?
Better not interfere, or else,
Oh, okay.
You
Ah.
big loser.
or else I'll take them from you by force. The hard way.
There we go.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, you can really abuse it. You could do the typical rinse and repeat after one hit, or you can do what Star just did.
Oh yeah, why not, right?
You kind of get stuck for a bit. Just, ah!
Definitely destroy him. Oh, uh-oh. It doesn't matter.
I was like, it matters.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, he tries to get you with...
Oh, you die.
Wait!
Okay, you're trying to glitch. Is it where you
can get away with nasty hits after the fight's over?
Is it where you does he do the victory dance and die at the same time? Is that what you're trying to do? Okay.
I know people can get hit after the fight ends, but I didn't know you could do it in the victory dance.
Oh gosh, that's the one cycle kill.
Yeah, he tries to be sneaky, breaking off the pieces. Yeah. I swear, every time he celebrates. Can't get over the victory screen.
Well, that wasn't so hard.
Be careful, Tails. Watch out.
Oh no!
Oh no!
He just stands there in disbelief with his hands out for like 3 whole seconds. That's great.
And now it's he's not even holding it.
Chaos?
Chaos?
It's dinner time. I love the way he's holding the emerald.
Monster I saw the other day?
Oh no.
He's stronger now. He's swollen his right arm. Yeah, go ahead and specify exercise for me, please. Sure, sure. He's got a brain.
Great plan.
You're bonking his brain earlier. Like Brando said, bonk his noggin.
Robotnik land.
Come on, Chaos! Let's find another emerald, shall we?
I love that they let him just stand there.
You know, if Chaos had a voice, if Chaos had a voice, he would have like that content-aware one where it, like, flubs your voice around.
Oh yeah.
It's like.
I was about to do the exact same noise. I was about to do the exact same noise.
Like, I guarantee you, if he had a voice, that's what they would use.
Yeah, you. There's randomly just a stone there that you got to take for the next stage.
Oh.
Some stages you just have to look for a stone or an object and bring it somewhere.
Mm-hmm. Right.
If you play a few campaigns, you know you memorize where the spots are.
There's no. It's very cryptic, I think is the word.
Mm-hmm. If I recall, this is a pretty popular stage.
Oh,
I like
cool.
the music here at least.
Yeah. Something I do like about these games is the different paths you get to go throughout the levels.
Mm-hmm.
They're
this
not
stage,
huge, but you know.
It gets a little hard to follow sometimes what's going on this one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I can tell.
It's gonna get crazy.
Yep, giant tornado. Oh wow.
And he just skipped a big good chunk there. Easy peasy.
Gotta get those hops.
Racking up all the lives.
He's already out of it. Almost.
The funny thing is that I learned most of these levels, especially this part of the song, from Mario and Sonic at the Olympic Games.
Dude, every time I think of this song, I think of a Sammy Classic Sonic fan.
Oh
it's
my
like his intro song.
Idiots. I just remember there's an event that takes place in this level.
Oh, I remember those from Adventure 2, the rockets, when we were playing.
Yeah, the flying discs event. It was like the Dream Discus. And like, it has nothing to do with the Olympics. You just fly on hover pads.
I had the original one. I think I still have it. I remember really liking it.
I played the first one, the Vancouver winter one, and then London.
Mm-hmm. Oh gosh.
And after that, I heard they were a lot less fun. You are so brave, Star.
No.
This thing didn't pay off. I saw what you were trying to do.
No! I was trying to skip a portion of it. Yeah, there you go.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh. Oh.
I think he's like already near the end. Great song.
Oh.
He makes it look way
Is this what you're
easier than it
supposed
is.
to do?
Mm-hmm. You're supposed
Okay,
to run down it, but he's kind of...
Yeah. Hey,
It's
you made
easy
it,
to lose track.
very, very easy, I can tell.
And there's just a Chaos Emerald out here.
Yes! It's just vibing, dude. Just chill. It's cool blue.
Another stage done in 2.5.
Yeah, not
Nicely
bad.
done, Star.
Yeah, not bad.
The train headed for Station Square.
Oh, nice camera.
It's moments like these where I used to get stuck, Luke, because there's no cutscene, so you just have to like figure out what to do.
There's nothing that tells you. I would assume probably go back to Station Square because of the voice saying the train is
Right.
leaving soon. But I mean, that's really
I believe
it.
some NPCs
I always-
help you out too. I love when
Dude,
that happens.
the camera on the train segments are ridiculous.
Oh yeah, I forgot time passes too. Pictures now start.
Yeah, they're actually not too bad for something in that era.
Right, those floating red orbs can give you a hint sometimes as to what to do next. That it is vague.
You have to go into the sewer.
Get a power up.
Nice camera.
Nice. Tutorial lady.
Now you've got light speed shoes. Press and hold the action button to store.
Is that
power.
Omachao's voice?
Once you have enough power, release the button
Hope
and
not.
you can do the light speed dash. The light speed
It's
dash
been a
lets
long
you
time
race
since
toward
I
rings
played.
at
Was
light
he in
speed.
Heroes? I
As
think he was in
long as you leave a
Heroes.
trail of rings,
I
you
think
can
he
go
was,
just
yeah.
about Anywhere.
Oh, this is what you're talking about, right?
This move is kind of funky.
Adventure
If
too.
there's a trail of rings, you can kind of just zip.
Yeah. Go. Yeah, that's what I was referring to. I thought,
Oh, okay.
I was saying like the ring homing thing. I didn't
The
know.
old man statue star. The best thing in the game.
Yeah, in Sonic Adventure 2, you just press B when you're near one. And if it's like how it is in multiplayer,
Right.
or well, beyond the
That's what provides
GameCube,
the safety without it. This part can be finicky.
I bet. Okay.
I've had so many times, where you get pushed
What
out
the
the
heck?
door. It took me a few
Hey,
tries
more
to.
rings for you, right?
Ready? There you go.
Oh, there's a ring thing.
Another upgrade already.
A blue bracelet.
This is the
I
crystal
believe you,
ring.
Star.
This reduces the time needed to store power for the light speed
Okay.
dash.
It's a little.
I don't know why they give you that already. Like, could have just given you that from the start.
Mhm.
There's no need for me to be a nitpicky Nelly.
The train headed
Oh,
for the Mystic
casino.
Islands will be departing soon.
I think you gotta light speed it.
Oh, cool.
How
Is
do
that how you open
normal
up the
people
door?
get in? The casino. I think you need, 500 rings to beat it? This one can definitely take a while.
The Force
Mhm.
Casino segment sounds frustrating.
Yeah, it's quite lengthy. 500 rings is pretty daunting for early on, too.
Sounds like it. You only have 7 right now.
I've heard there's some secret paths. Yeah, where if you don't get enough rings, you go through some obstacle course.
I think AV did one of those, right?
And so, Yeah, you're better off doing the obstacle course because I sat here and got 500 and it took forever.
Sonic has 0 balls.
I'm so sorry. Then you get to actually play a level.
Yeah, I think I remember seeing Avi do this on his stream.
You get to play this segment in the Tails campaign, which is much faster. Sometimes he does a little shimmy.
Okay.
Underneath the casino now. I think there's even there's another table in the casino too that's themed after that game series Knights.
Oh, I remember seeing that one. Yeah, I have no idea what that game is about.
Me neither. I never played it, but like I always see the character.
Oh no! Oh.
Said that feeling.
Man. I would be so frustrated.
Holy. At least you got some rings back.
This is pretty easy to get the rings back, but still.
Yeah, pain and suffering. 500 in this segment? That'd be terrifying. You have like 490. You get hit.
Ooh.
Oh, that's terrifying.
Oh, okay. I would have had no idea.
I sure wish I actually used this area because you're already almost halfway to your goal.
You would have been, yeah. You would have been halfway if it was for the spike ball.
The exciting invincibility music as you climb a ladder.
In the shower.
And you're back. A rude.
I've noticed that the camera's not a big fan of you.
It happens.
You can deposit the rings, right? Like you don't have to do them all at once. I was like, ooh, that would be frustrating.
I can only imagine. To like play a table until I ran out of tries, deposit, and then go try another table.
Mm-hmm.
If I recall, though, the pinball is like the only activity. Yeah, you can hit the machines though. Whatever it takes to get there faster.
Mm-hmm. Tails is just chilling, dude.
He's not gonna help.
Yeah.
I'm still thinking about the cutscene, dude. I wanna fly high.
I wanna fly high.
Try and deposit
Yeah.
Oh, really?
things as you can. It may even help show you the way.
I'm learning so much today.
That seems very backwards. Like you can control him, but you can't see where he's going. Yeah.
Right. I can like imagine doing what Star was doing in Windy Valley with 2 players.
Tails dies like 15 times while you're going through that level.
I do look forward to Tails' campaign. We'll get to see.
I'm pretty much blind to everything besides like parts of Sonic's campaign.
Oh, I cannot wait.
And I've seen like one small segment of Big.
Good old Big. It always just has me thinking of Sunshine. A lot of games around this time had casino levels.
Mm-hmm.
Also, my favorite casino is the freaking Luigi Casino on the DS games. Oh yeah.
Does this one have a different level? If you don't make it? Or is it just...
Yeah.
Are you tilting the machine? Oh, the same level. Oh, there you go. Submarines. Oh, uh-oh.
Yeah.
Unless that was
Rio's been getting the love.
Yeah, that's true. Tetris was Tetris was very, very good for the series. It's still very niche, but at least people in the West know about it.
Mm-hmm. The first one did very well. Said there's even more like characters coming to the second Puyo Puyo Tetris.
Now that Sonic's in the game too, you know, that makes it even better.
Oh my god, don't even get me started, Star. Do not say that name. I don't want to hear it. I mean, it helped, right?
Yeah.
It was like wasn't it a Switch launch title, or at least close to launch?
No, it's fine. I get it. I mean, it really is a decent comparison to make. It started off on I think PS3, the Wii or Wii U, and 3DS, and then they got reported for the PS4, the Switch, and those versions had, in air quotes, it had better balancing between both games, and it added some new things.
Surprised too. I actually grew up on Tetris games instead, so it's kind of funny.
Yeah, there's Kirby's Avalanche and Robotnik's Mean Bean Machine are the two big ones.
There was the DS game called Tetris DS that featured 8-bit versions of a bunch of Nintendo characters, and it had like 6 different modes to play from, rather than just regular Tetris. And I spent a lot of time as a kid playing that. It is a great game. They had like really aggressive like multiplayer modes and all kinds of different ways to play. I'm surprised like they don't recycle those concepts.
8 minutes.
That's the casino for you, man.
30 minutes or so. Okay.
It's all
S.
good because you'll blaze the next stages.
Yeah.
Hey.
Oh no, the Chaos Emerald.
Oh, no, you don't.
Oh, jeez.
He farted. Oh, gee.
Hey, man.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh,
My Chaos
man.
Emeralds.
What happened to that emerald we just had?
I don't like the Twitch.
I guess Eggman's got one of them, but the other one's safe. That guy must be desperate.
He was pretty
That
smart,
means
Star.
his
He made you
tunes
waste your
are
time in the
one, and
casino.
That's not good. Come on, son. Busy.
That's not good.
Sonic's lip syncing earlier, by the way, is like my favorite thing ever.
Will be departing soon.
All that work for nothing. Not bad though. Knocked out 3 stages already. Off to a good start. Me, I would have at least taken an hour. More than that, probably.
Yeah, we'd be taking longer than this.